It is Philippe. That is a storm that's going to be on us at around 8 p.m. So we are heading to Schoodic Point. Schoodic Peninsula. Basically, Schoodic Point. Pretty awesome. That's Atlantic Ocean. Oh wow!
That's awesome.
Wow!
How's the salt water taste? A little cold.
Yep.
A little windy. Overcast, but the sun's supposed to come out.
Wow. What are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna hike up this trail over here.
Yeah, that's called East Trail.
East Trail, and we're gonna go, there's a mountain right there. I can tell you what it is in a second because I don't remember what it's called, but I can tell you right now because I have a map, and maps help. Okay, let's go. That's the map. It looks like the Anvil.
Point.
They call it the Anvil is the first one.
Yeah.
Then there looks like an Anvil trail, and then you get up on another Schoodic head.
Yeah, Schoodic Head.
So it looks like we'll have some vistas of the water.
Sun is out,
The sun is fighting the clouds right now.
and the Felipe is moving out. He was a hurricane, and now this is how Schoodic Point area, Schoodic Peninsula looks like. Very tumultuous. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a peanut butter jelly sandwich and then head to the Schoodic Head.
Get some energy for the hike we're gonna do. We just rode like 4.5, 5 miles on the bikes, but it wasn't like the stuff we're used to, so it was super easy. It didn't feel like we did much.
Yeah. You feeling cold now?
Oh yeah, the breeze is coming off that water and it's pretty strong. This thing is on here so tight, I think I got a crescent wrench there. Can you show that? With the best food known to man. Some people come to Maine and eat lobsters.
We eat peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. Mm. Legend. Okay, as you see, we're going to East Trail to the Schoodic Head. It's 0.5 miles. We're going to be going up to two lookouts up there. There's 2 separate mountains. First, some of it's going to be scrambling, I think.
Yeah.
So let's go have fun.
Yes.
All
That
right.
looks pretty inviting. Let's go.
So pretty right here, honey.
Yeah. Very
Sun
pretty.
out.
Pretty slippery too. You got to watch out.
Yeah, walk right in that crack and you'll be fine.
Crack climbing.
Look at how the low-lying
Yeah.
brush is like that little red Brown color.
Yeah.
You could see the sea right through there, but we'll get a better view at it.
Oh wow, the blue skies makes a whole
What a difference, huh?
difference. Yeah. It's just like a mood lifter.
Low brush. Nice.
Native American?
Nope. No, I'm just trying to camouflage in, try to find some animals and stuff. I figure this would help if I put this little thing.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
might.
If I sit still like a bush. Okay.
Roots can be very slippery. Yeah, it is a serious climb up. The moss, different shades of green. Amazing.
It looks like a big carpet you could lie down and take a
Yeah,
nap.
yeah.
Can I take a nap and you can come get me when
Yeah,
you come out?
if you want to.
All right, I gotta find a nice little badger to cuddle up with or something.
A squirrel,
Squirrel.
maybe.
No badgers. How about you guys?
Good.
Nobody took a digger?
No,
Good.
but it will definitely come in handy.
It's kind
It's a nice uphill climb, going all the way, switchbacks. Well, we're used to that. Exposed roots. Scrambling up on this. I think this is overlook point, and it is great. Overlook it is.
Leave no trace, honey. Like if I kill you up on this mountain, I gotta leave no trace.
Legends don't get killed, they live on. Wow, that was good!
Hang out for a while.
Cheers.
Cheers, my baby. We finally got a little good weather and stuff.
So we had a good time over there at the overlook point. Now we are descending down into the deep woods and going through the mossy forest in search of Buck Mountain.
The sunshine.
How you doing? How was your walk?
What took you so long?
I was doing some
I already
video.
made friends with a bear and we hung out and he told me about the squirrels he ate last night. And okay. That's the sign of a healthy forest right
Yep.
there.
Beautiful, healthy forest.
Had a little pine scent, something else too. Oh yeah.
They're like,
They're buddies. They got
Yeah.
some kind of symbiotic thing going on. I don't know.
yeah, it's very symbiotic.
little guy. I know I'm not supposed to feed you, but I'd like to give you a cracker. Can you get a cracker out of my bag? Can you get a cracker out of my bag? Hi, little buddy. Hi, handsome. Hi. Get a cracker. Hi, buddy. I don't think this guy cares. He's used to being fed. He's so handsome. Hi, buddy. Oh, are you one of those ptarmigans? Are you a ptarmigan? How you doing? You want something to eat? Okay. Okay. They're in there somewhere, baby. Hi, buddy. You're such a good boy. Well, we're trying to get him a cracker. I know you're not supposed to feed him, but this guy is obviously used to getting some handouts. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Powder it. Oh, not my fingers.
He doesn't know
Eat
what
that.
to do with it.
Come on.
Just powder it.
Right there. Maybe he's trying to attack me. Yeah. Yeah. He's trying to get my hand. Here, try that stuff. Go ahead. Really? No? You just want friendship? You want friendship? You want to attack me? Ooh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, little buddy. How are you?
He's like Lincoln.
Hi, handsome. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. I won't hurt you. Ready? Ready? Come on. Are you just protecting somebody? Are you just protecting somebody?
Oh my god. He's so cute.
That is cute. I think he may be protecting somebody, honey.
Yeah.
Maybe little ones or eggs or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
He's attacking. Okay, go ahead. You ain't gonna hurt me. You ain't gonna hurt me. You ain't gonna hurt me.
Okay, we won't do anything, dude. Just want to pass.
No, he's got birditude.
He's got birditude. And he knows that you are the person who would.
Grab hold of him.
Yeah. He's like blocking us.
See if he walks with us, or
He's walking with us.
See if he walks with us, then it doesn't make sense what he said. What I said was gonna happen. I thought he was like protecting.
Okay, I won't do anything. I just want
his
to
nest.
pass.
He's gonna mess you up. He can't hurt you, honey.
Oh my goodness.
He has a nice little breast on him. You want me to take him and we'll have him tonight?
Dude, I won't do anything to you. I just want to pass.
What happened, legend?
Oh my god. I'm not a legend anymore.
That is so
Oh god.
funny.
Don't bite me.
He's coming
Mommy.
at you.
I know
He knows you're
I'm
afraid.
going to run.
He knows you're afraid. He smells your fear.
He smells my fear. Oh god. He's coming at me.
What a beautiful bird he is.
Oh my goodness.
What a beautiful bird. Put your hand out and watch him.
No, I don't
Yeah,
want
go
him
ahead, watch
biting
him.
me.
You'll catch it on video, him attacking you.
Dude, he's blocking me
Oh,
royally.
yeah.
Dude, I just want to move. I just want to go for a walk.
Come on. Let's go for a walk, birdie. Show us the best areas. Come on.
Come on, let's go. So don't bite me. Don't.
He's coming at you.
Oh my goodness.
He's coming.
This guy is after me and he won't let me go.
Oh.
Colonoscopy. Let me see what he does with this.
That's going to be a great video. Hold it, camera nice and level with the ground.
Yeah.
Probably see the reflection. Oh, that's going to be a great video.
This is a mutated, like a ptarmigan or something. This guy.
He's going to go after the camera. Put it right in his face.
He
He's an
is a
awesome bird.
fighter.
I love that bird.
Dude, I just want to leave.
They got a trunk that's twisted, and they just went for it.
Yeah. I'm like, hey, it's turned perfectly.
Nice job.
I get that balsam fir smell.
Oh, yeah.
We're heading up to the Buck Mountain. Buck Cove Mountain. Yeah, it takes a while to learn the names. So we are coming back up on this trail after hitting a Buck Cove Mountain.
We're gonna go past that.
And
Yeah.
here he is,
We're gonna go past the
the
truck.
terror of the trail. He is there, waiting for us.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hey, bud.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, pal. Come on, let's take a walk. Let's take a walk.
Oh my God.
Ooh, come on, attack bird. Ooh, careful, careful.
Dude, we don't want to do anything
you're
with
on
you.
video, mister.
Yep, you're on video.
You're on video, mister.
Let's go this.
Aggressive sucker.
He's going to just attack me now. Oh my God.
He's gonna totally attack you.
Oh my God.
Babe, we don't want to be seen.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to go past you, okay? Don't attack me. Don't attack me.
It's fine when he attacks. He's not gonna hurt you. Let's see if he ate the stuff I left for. Come on, buddy. We're taking our
This
bird.
guy
Taking our
is
bird
something.
Taking our birdie for a walk. Where is
He's there.
he? Okay. Here's right where we met him, up with him.
Yeah. I think he's going to attack us from this side.
Did he? Yeah.
Oh, see? Told you. I knew his move.
Yep.
I think I was at Ptarmigan in the
Another life.
another life. Look at him.
Oh yeah. He's like, hey, you don't want any of this.
Yeah, he is trying to get ahead of us.
Here he comes.
You know?
Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's trying for a soft spot. Come on. Come on. Ooh, you're so mean. Ow! That one was pretty good. That one got me pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know.
He's-
Stand back. You're too close.
Okay.
Stand back. Hey.
Yeah.
There he goes. He's gonna fly right down on your head. He's probably saying, "This guy's spicy. I like this guy." He threw me up in the air. He looks good. That's a good picture.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hi, buddy. Oh, you look handsome up there. Let me get a picture of you up there, okay? Just stay right up there. Oh, you're kind of backlit. You're kind of backlit.
He's planning to fly to the trail ahead of us. That's what he's planning.
You think?
Mm-hmm. He wants to block us. He wants to eat us for dinner.
I don't think so.
Yep.
He's a tenacious. I'm waiting for him to come right up in our face.
He will. You can extend it then.
You got real attitude, huh?
Pecking at the...
You got real attitude.
like snow.
Yep, cool. Has a little green hue to it.
Yeah. It's a light green.
Yep.
Anvil Trail back to Blueberry Hill parking lot. This is a different feel, a lot of like solid rock faces. Must be a very old tree. Tried to die and then came back up from the bottom. Yeah, that was this is actually a stairway up, but this part is a little sketchy, and then just go down this way.